nut. It's not a nut, it's the cocoa fruit of the cocoa tree from the cocoa palm family. There are so many uses of the coconut tree. You can build a big house for the family. All you need is to find a coconut man. If he cuts the tree, he gets the fruit free. It's the cocoa fruit of the cocoa tree from the cocoa palm family. The coconut bark for the kitchen floor. If you save some of it, you can build a door now. The coconut trunk, do not throw this junk. If you save some of it, you have that second floor. The coconut wood is very good. It can stand 20 years if you pray it would. Now the coconut root, to tell you that the root, you can throw it or use it as firewood. The coconut leaves, good shade it gives for the roof, for the walls up against the leaves. Now the coconut fruit, say my relatives, make good kind of walls up against the leaves. It's the cocoa fruit of the cocoa tree from the cocoa palm family. It's a giant nut. If you eat too much, you get very fat. Now the coconut nut is a big, big nut, but it's a delicious nut. It's not a nut. It's the cocoa fruit of the cocoa tree from the cocoa palm family. It's the cocoa fruit